Yeah, it's a cold Tuesday. Got the truck up here unloading the combine, check the oil and stuff. We'll need some hydraulic oil, but got the auger moved. Bins there at the main farm full. Looks like one tractor, the battery's low. They put a different tire on the wagon because we got a flat tire last week, so it was sitting. So we'd been just using this one. So try to get him jump started, everything emptied, and get started on our corn again. Well, we've gotten several loads in the day. Sun's starting to go down. Got bigger patch done, doing the smaller patch in the back. It had a lot more grass in it earlier this year. Apparently it's holding moisture because it's saying it's wetter back here, so try to get this truck unloaded, get back up there, get it filled. I think they put a little bit on the little blue truck. Yeah, we got done with corn. Had chopper belt last night break, so we wasn't able to get done. Moved our bean auger and head down the field where we're going to do beans. Now we got our corn done. Finished filling the truck and finishing our corn bin we got left. And move that auger and start on beans. are we gonna do? Local neighbors checking us out. Had a little bit of damage. Had a guard break which broke sickle off and bent another one, so we had to fix that. I had to modify one for the end because it's a special one. It don't have the top piece, so I had to grind it off. So got it fixed. I'm gonna try to hurry up and get done what we can before nightfall. Well, we'd spilled a few beans the other day, and cousin had cut some beans with his little Massey combine, which he filled most of this trailer. So I brought it back here, picked those up. We got the one bin full, so they're moving bins, and I come back here and scoop this up. So we'll go back up there, move bins, dump this in the hopper, and empty the auger cart and combine, and should be able to start by then. Finish the little bit of field we got. I can't hear you. Now we got the bin moved, unloading the auger cart. This chain here was broke. The little clip that holds it broke. So we got the master link back together and got it zip tied for now to get us by, since we don't have that many acres left. So hopefully it'll get us by. Maybe tomorrow I can put a new master link in it if we need to. Yeah, we got this field done, but we picked up a piece of rebar and it broke our sickle bar on this side. So we had to use the other side to finish the little strip we had. So we'll have to get the green cart unloaded and start taking that apart so we can get it fixed. Got that field of mine done. I'm emptying in the truck. I checked the bin. It should be getting about full. So all we got left is about 18 acres in the bottom to finish up. We'll be done for harvest. And have to put the mower on the tractor again, go around and mow along the tree lines and stuff again for the fall. Moving on to the last field. Won't be able to stay, I gotta go to work, but move the head for him. Uncle's my truck so I can swap out, go straight to work since I'm not too far away. So we should easily be able to get done today. Well, we got done yesterday, so we got all the beans emptied up at Uncle's and got the auger down, unhooked the auger cart so I can put it on the mower. I got the bin lids closed, and now we got that auger off the corn bin, unhook it, and then start folding up our drive over pit. I have to go clean it up and start putting stuff away. Well, we got the drive over pit cleaned up and put away. So now I got the head down here and trying to get stuff cleaned out. He went up and got some gas for me. Pressure washer's about out of gas, so before I start, go ahead and fill it up. That way I ain't gotta stop and let it cool down. So try to clean a bunch of this fuzz out while it's dry for a wash. That way it'll be easier. Otherwise just got a nasty sticky mess. Try to clean the head up today. Shouldn't have any trouble before it gets dark. And then I got the combine over on the other side of the building. Try to wash it up tomorrow. We're supposed to get some rain this week, so we need to try to get stuff washed up while it's warm too. It's supposed to cool back down. And we usually put this head at my house in the shed, and I got to drive in my front yard some since his head's so long. Don't want to do that before it rains, so don't track it up so much. So we'll go ahead and get all this stuff cleaned out. It's just easier whenever it's dry. Otherwise it just likes to mush up. I'll go and get it all cleaned up and then hook the mower up. Start mowing some waterways that I wasn't able to mow earlier this year because I didn't want to run over beans or corn, so I'll get them mowed down. And then some of them's got some small trees that I have to take a chainsaw or the Kubota, try to get them out so they don't grow up too much. I had to cut some down a couple years ago, but about that time again to trim down some of the shorter ones that sprouted up since then. So we'll go ahead and get all the shields and stuff off and get her washed up. Yeah, the sun's starting to go down. Got a pretty nice sunset. Got most of it done. I got just the back to do, and I'll probably blow the belt off again once I get this back blown off, because it'll blow some of it up. And then wash the covers and I'll be done. I'll wash the trailer a little bit too from stuff that drips down on it. And then she'll be ready to be put away until next year.